guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to make a quick and simple card using my new digital stamp set, Coffee Cart. You'll get a few files with the stamp set. You'll get a printable sheet with all the little pieces. You don't have to resize it, just print. It comes with sentiments. And you'll get 3 coffee carts already built up for you with little scenes. So you get this one. I printed 6 on a sheet, and then you'll get this one, and you'll get the one that I'm using in today's card. I've cut my panel down to a 1/4 inch smaller so you'll have a little frame going around. And I'm going to place this piece on top of that. So I've taken a frame die with a little scallop and then a hill die and glued those together and then put foam tape on the back, so that when I put it on my panel, it'll be raised up. So what you're going to want to do is take your image and also raise that up, but leave the bottom portion without foam tape. That way you can glue it onto your hill and your image will be flat. So let's get this piece on. So today is the last day. You could use coupon code Summer Sun for 15% off your order. So if you wanted to grab this digital download, I'll have the link in the description box for you. You can get 15% off until 11:59 p.m. Central Time. And today is Sunday. So I hope you guys are having a great weekend. Enjoy the rest of it. So we're gonna just pop this on. We're not gonna see any of the white. It's all going to be hidden. Okay, so adhere your frame onto the panel there. And then we're gonna adhere this right onto our card. If you want to see another fun video using this digital stamp set, head over to Carrie Rhodes' channel. She just posted a super fun video using the stamp set. If you create a little scene with your coffee cart, go ahead and tag me with the hashtag #NotTooShabbyShop so I can check out your project. I'd love to check it out. It's always fun to see other people's ideas. And then let's get that onto our card. I've added foam tape to the back of our sentiment here. This is a sentiment that comes with the stamp set. Just roll with it, and I just cut it around the words so we could have this block sentiment look here. And I want to add them on so they are a little bit wonky. Okay, so I think the sentiment looks really good. Let's add some finishing details with some glitter, maybe some glossy accents. So I'm going to take my glitter brush here and just sparkle up the balloon. And the little muffin and donuts and a little cupcake. Oh, and I forgot to color the cherry. So I'm going to take a red and just dot that in there. And then we could do glossy accents on the cups and stuff like that. Well, if you saw my previous video, you saw that my nozzle was stuck with a pin in there. And now I was using it by taking this piece off. And now that is glued down shut. So it looks like I need a new bottle for my glossy accents. So maybe I can bring out this glitter stickles. This will complete my card today, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you real soon in the next video. Take care, guys.